It was reported that customers who purchased Red Bull drink between 2002 and October 3, 2014 would be owed $10 cash or $15 in Red Bull products, according to a settlement the company agreed to last month. The class action lawsuit stated that Red Bull's claims were false advertising and not backed up with scientific evidence. The company didn't admit to wrongdoing, but agreed to pay $13 million to American consumers. The internet was abuzz with stories listing step-by-step directions to claim your cash. No proof of purchase required. You can file a claim form online or call 877-495-1568 and ask that it be sent to you by mail. So many people tried to sign up, the settlement website crashed. Those who signed up are now pretty happy at the prospect of $10, courtesy of Red Bull. But the problem is the entire settlement agreement is capped at $13 million, so it's not hard to work out that 1.3 million people claiming $10 each would pretty much tap out the fund. There will be a hearing on May 1, 2015 to decide whether the settlement will be approved by the court. The money on products will be distributed within 150 days if the settlement is approved. You must file before March 2, 2015 to be eligible for compensation whatever the amount may be.